the day. I said these sounds of the highway help me sleep right through the day. Until those midnight tail lights tell me it's time to get away. So I check my reflection in a copper kettle on the stove. I said I check my reflection in a copper kettle on the stove. Then I ramble just like the steam, fast and loud with no real place to go. If you ever want to find me, you better start looking west. I've been dragging this rustic guitar through a dusty sunset, and I got nothing to lose but a couple bent strings that keep my next gig stuck to a telephone pole. Oh, and I'd rather die by the roadside than spend a lifetime getting old. Barbecue, tobacco, beer, and wine. Live band, vacancy, barbecue, shining all the time. The only ones left that know my story are those neon signs.